Hey, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you a miracle drink best for fighting skin problems that include acne, hyperpigmentation conditions like melasma, sunspots, aging spots, pimples, and wrinkles. So let's get straight into the video. If this is your first time here, please hit this red subscribe button and don't forget to put the bell on so that you get notified when I upload new videos. The ingredients we're going to use today are carrots, turmeric, coconut milk, water, and honey. Coconut milk is high in healthy saturated fatty acids and also contains good concentration of lauric acid, a compound with antibacterial properties which can help to restore dry, damaged skin. Carrots contain beta-carotene and vitamin A, so when eaten, it acts like a natural sunblock. Diet affects skin health. When you eat healthy diets and food with great nutrients, it's going to contribute towards nourishing your skin. And also it has a high level of vitamin C, which help maintain elasticity and also prevents wrinkles and sagging skin. Turmeric contains powerful anti-inflammatory that can help in destroying acne-causing bacteria. It can decrease symptoms in skin conditions like eczema and pimples. This is a great drink to remove dark spots, pigmentation, melasma, pimples, and wrinkles. Honey is a good source of antioxidants which helps to protect the body from cell damage. As the diet helps your skin from the inside, you can also help your skin heal from outside. Check my other natural beauty videos on the card above. And thank you so much guys for watching. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends, and I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye for now. Bye.